Today, we're actually doing something a little different than kind of what I normally do. We are actually not working on any of mine or my wife's vehicles. I'm going to be working on a buddy of mine's Jeep. It's actually, I think it's an 06 LJ, I think they call it. We're going to be putting a 3.5 inch lift on. Can't remember the exact brand. It's like Quadratec or something like that. But you can see it's stock now, just other than wheels and tires. I think those are 31s, but he has a set of 33s to go on it. So we're going to go ahead and get this in the spot of the truck so we have plenty of room. So we're going to go ahead and move this out. Go ahead and do a little cold start. Got the Jeep in the spot, and I'm just going to give you a little overview of kind of what's on the lift. It is the Quadratec 3.5 inch. It's got your springs, I think your control arms. I'm not exactly sure what's in that box just yet, but he went with the, I believe it's the Nitro shocks he went with. And he also got an adjustable, I think it's called a traction bar, I believe is what they call it. Can't remember exactly. We put one on his last Jeep, but can't remember the exact term from it. But we're gonna go ahead and start on the front end and get that jacked up, get these wheels off, and get started. Went ahead and got the front done. Didn't get a chance to get the back or anything else done, but we got the front completely buttoned up. You can tell the rear still has the wheels that he had on it, and you can see how it's kind of squatting in the rear. But these are the new wheels that he has. They're mammoth something, I don't know, but it's 33 inch tires, so it will look a lot better than those 31s. I'd say that's a pretty big improvement for just a 3.5 inch, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick this video up in the morning, and then I'll be showing you the finished product when I get done. I'm gonna attempt to put his 33 on back here, but I think he might have to delete this, so we'll look into that when that time comes. Okay, it's the next day. I was going to go ahead and film every bit of this, but I wanted to get it done before it rained too bad. So went ahead and got the rear done and the center. I'll show you back here. I still got to zip tie the boots and put the decals on, but I want to get a test drive in before I do that. But new springs, the bump stop extension, new shocks, new control arms, lower control arms, and then the relocation bracket right here for the traction bar for the rear. And let's see, go over on this side, which is a whole lot better stance wise. And then you got your bracket or your spacers, and then on this side you have this bracket. This drops down your shifter to accommodate for your drop. Not sure how you can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a test drive in, and then check everything one more time, and then maybe put this spare on, see if it'll fit, and then I'll try to get a little montage video clip for you. Alright, here's the completely finished look. Got the decals on the shocks. I went ahead and put the spare tire on. It's actually hitting the bumper just a little, so these are real tight and this one's just barely kind of snug, so he can at least have the look until he gets that little spacer. But definitely needs an alignment, but it's not too bad. But so that's it for this one. If you like what you've seen, just subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.